Hello students, today I am teaching chapter 3 exponent. In this chapter you will learn laws of exponent and the questions related to the laws of exponent. So let's start. Now I am teaching chapter 2 exponent. Before teaching exercise I want to teach some other things. For example, how can you identify the given number exponent and base? So if a power 5 is given, so this number is called exponent and this is called base, and this type of number is called exponential form of number. And if you expand a power 5, a into a into a into a into a, this is called product form. I am teaching is it because it is very important for law of exponent. Law of exponent. So what is the law of exponent? Law of exponents, if x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. यहाँ x का मतलब ये है कि बेसिस जो है सेम होना चाहिए. जब हम रूल के अप्लाई तभी करेंगे जब बेसिस सेम होगी. इस 5 की पावर 3 इंटू 5 की पावर 2 देन 5 पावर 3 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 5 की पावर 5. सेकेंड लॉ इज if x power m divided by x power n where m is greater than n, then x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. डिवीजन के केस में इफ बेसिस आर सेम, यहाँ इस बात को ध्यान देना है, बार बार मैं बता रहा हूँ कि बेसिस सेम होनी चाहिए तभी हम ये रूल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन हम पावर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे इफ़ 3 की पावर 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 की पावर 2 देन 3 की पावर 9 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 की पावर 7. थर्ड लॉ इज सेइंग इफ x पावर माइनस m देन 1 अपॉन x पावर m. यदि x का पावर निगेटिव है तो हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं और ये पावर जो होती है वो पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. कहने का मतलब ये है कि इफ 5 की पावर माइनस 3 देन 1 अपॉन 5 की पावर 3. फोर्थ थिंग इज इफ p अपॉन q पावर माइनस m देन q अपॉन p की पावर m. हम इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए, पावर पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हमको जो बेस है उसको हमको रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ जो पहले वाले लॉ में है उसमें भी हमने रेसिप्रोकल ही किया है. यदि 3 अपॉन 5 पावर माइनस 2 देन 5 अपॉन 3 की पावर 2. फिफ्थ लॉ इज if x power m into y power m then x y power m, यानी 2 की पावर 5 into 3 की पावर 5 is given, then 2 into 3 power 5. Sixth law is x power m into n then x power m into n, यानी इक्वल टू x पावर m n. इफ 3 की पावर 2 4 देन 3 की पावर 2 into 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 की पावर 8. Seventh thing is, if minus 1 power even times, then answer will be plus 1. यदि पावर यहाँ पर इवन टाइम्स है, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे यदि माइनस 1 की पावर 4 है तो आंसर आपका 1 आएगा। यदि आपका माइनस 1 की पावर ऑड टाइम्स कोई ऑड नंबर दिया हुआ है, उस केस में आंसर आपका माइनस 1 ही रहेगा। एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे यदि माइनस 1 की पावर 5 दिया है तो आपका आंसर माइनस 1 में ही आएगा। यानी 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 ऑड नंबर में कोई भी नंबर होगी, इसी तरह इवन में से 2, 4, 6, 8 जो नंबर्स होंगी इवन टाइम्स में होगा तो आंसर वो प्लस में आ जाएगा। I am starting exercise 3.1. First question of this exercise is find the value of first 1 upon 2 power minus 5, second 1 upon 3 power minus 4, and third 6 power 7 upon 2 power 3 into 3 power 7. So first question is 1 upon 2 power minus 5. Since here power is negative, so we use the first law. Since x power minus m is equal to 1 upon x power m, therefore 1 upon 2 power minus 5 is equal to 2 की power 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32. This is the answer. Second question is 1 upon 3 power minus 4. Since x power minus m is equal to 1 upon x power m, therefore 1 upon 3 power minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 4. So it become 1 into 3 की power 4 upon 1. So 3 की power 4, which is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. So answer will be 81. Now the third question is 6 power 7 upon 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 7. At first, as you know that to use law of exponent we need same basis. You will see that here is a base 6, here is a base 2 and 3. So at first we have to convert this base into 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 power 7 upon 2 power 3 into 3 power 7. You know that the product of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So you can write it as 2 power 7 into 3 power 7 upon 2 power 3 into 3 power 7. This fraction is also division. Therefore we use the law, since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. Therefore 2 power 7 into 3 power 7 upon 2 power 3 into 3 power 7 is equal to 2 की power 7 minus 3. ऊपर 7 है, नीचे 3 है, 7 माइनस 3 इंटू 3 पावर 7 माइनस 7 वी गेट 2 पावर 4 इंटू 3 पावर 0. Since x power 0 is equal to 1, therefore 2 power 4 into 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 1 the 16. This will be answer. Second question is simplify each of the following. First question is minus 4 cube into minus 2 power minus 3. So minus 4 cube into minus 2 power minus 3. You will see that the bases of both numbers are different. So at first we have to make them common bases, otherwise we can't use law of exponent. So minus 2 power 2 पावर 3, 4 को हम माइनस 2 के बेस में एक्सप्रेस किए तो माइनस 2 की पावर 2 हमको करना पड़ेगा. अब पावर 3 ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है इंटू माइनस 2 पावर माइनस 3. सिंस एक्स पावर एम ब्रैकेट एन इज इक्वल टू एक्स पावर एम इंटू एन, देयर फोर माइनस 2 पावर 2 इंटू 3 इंटू माइनस 2 पावर माइनस 3. यहाँ जो पावर थी इनका दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 2 पावर 6 इंटू minus 2 power minus 3. Now you will see that the bases are same. So we can apply the rule, since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Therefore minus 2 power 6 into minus 2 power minus 3 is equal to minus 2 power 6 plus minus 3. So minus 2 power 6 minus 3, because product of plus and minus is equal to minus. So minus 2 power 3. So since power is a odd times, therefore answer will be negative. So minus sign 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to minus 8. Second question is minus 3 power 4 into 5 on 3 power 4. So here bases are different, so we can't apply the laws of exponent. Since here power is a even times, that's why result will be positive. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, write 4 times, into 5 on 3 into 5 on 3 into 5 on 3 into 5 on 3. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Now you have 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125, 5 ja 625. So answer will be 625. Third question is minus 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. You will see that here bases are different, because one of the base is a positive and another is a negative. So at first we have to make them positive base. So taking minus 1 outside, and then it become 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. Therefore minus 1 power 3 into 5 power 3 minus 7. So we know that if power is odd times, then product will be negative. So minus 1 into 5 power 3 plus 7, because product of minus and minus becomes plus. So minus 1 into 5 power 10. Now minus 1 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सो माइनस 1 इंटू, इसको यदि हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 9765625 सो अब इसके साथ माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो योर आंसर विल बी माइनस 9765625. Question number 3 is simplify. First question is 16 into t power minus 3 upon 4 power minus 3 into 8 into t power minus 6. So write at first 16 into t power minus 3 upon 4 power minus 3 into 8 into t power minus 6. You will see that here bases are different, only t is same, but other bases are different. So we have to make them like our common bases. So if we express this to the base of 4, you will get 4 square into t power minus 3, then 4 power minus 3 into 8 into t power minus 6. Since you have learnt x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, so 4 power 2 into t power minus 3 upon 4 power minus 3 into 8 into t power minus 6 is equal to 4 power 2 minus 3 into t power minus 3 minus 6. यहाँ हम 4 और 6 टी ले जा चुके हैं, नीचे सिर्फ बच गया 8. 4 पावर 2 प्लस 3 इंटू टी पावर minus 3 प्लस 6 अपॉन 8. You will get 4 power 5, then t power 3 upon 8. Since we have to eliminate this, that's why we make them common bases. So 2 की power 2 5 into t की power 3 upon 2 की power 3. So it becomes 2 की पावर 2 into 5 into t की पावर 3 upon 2 की पावर 3. So 2 की पावर 10 into t की पावर 3 upon 2 की पावर 3 is equal to 2 की पावर 10 minus 3 into t की पावर 3 since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. यहाँ पर भी हम वही यूज किए हैं कि since x power m and n equal to x power m into n. So now we have 2 की पावर 7 into t की पावर 3. 2 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 into t cube. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, 2 जा 32, 2 जा 64, 2 जा 128. 128 t cube will be answer.